Hello everyone, welcome to another hair hack video. Now take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Then tie both the ponytails in the form of plaits and then roll it upwards. Secure it properly with the help of a clutcher. Now take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, insert a rubber band from inside and then tie the upper part of the hair as well and then secure it properly with the help of a bobby pin. Now, take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, then insert a back pin from inside and then roll the below parts of the hair inside the back pin and then insert it inwards. Now, take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail, then roll the ponytail parts in few parts and then inside the back pinny part, roll it upwards and then secure it properly. Now take your hair from the middle partition and then secure it properly with the help of a back pin. Roll it upwards just like this and downwards just like this. Roll it upwards all over again and then secure it properly with the help of a rubber band. Now take your hair and tie it in the form of a ponytail. Now when you are done tying the ponytail, tie it from inside just like this and roll it downwards. Now take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Tie the lower end of the hair again with the help of a clutcher and then try securing it upwards. Now take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail, then insert a back pin from within, tie the upper parts of the hair and then tie it again with the help of a rubber band. Now carefully make a 1/2 ponytail and keep inserting small sections of hair from one part of the hair to another in a crisscross manner just like this, and then when you are done making the hair, tie it from below. Take your hair, tie it with the help of a rubber band in the form of a lower ponytail. Roll the ponytail upwards and secure it properly with the help of a clutcher. Repeat the same process of tying the ponytail. Now make it look like a knot, roll it downwards and then secure it properly with the help of a clutcher. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail, make a gap in between, tie it again from below and then roll it upwards just like this in the form of a clutcher. You are done here. Now take your hair, first tie it in the form of a ponytail, then take a Juda rubber band and roll all your hair around that Juda rubber band and decorate it with the help of a Juda pin. Take your hair, first tie it in the form of a straight palette and then roll it from behind so that it looks like a Juda. Now take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, insert a Juda pin, roll it around the Juda pin and secure it properly. Now take your hair, tie it again with the help of a Juda pin and then roll it, secure it finally with the help of a clutcher. Thank you for watching.